Hi all you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tumi. If you are into cooking, trying out new ingredients or products, this is definitely the channel to watch out for. And today I'm just going to be making a quick meal. It's a meal under 25 rand, that or 25 rand, and you can serve a whole family. I'm thinking a family of 4. Yeah, a family. I'm gonna be making some tomato breedie, and I bought, this is what's left of my tomatoes, and then I've got 3. I will show you them to you guys just now. Here are my tomatoes. I'm using my leftover oil from the other day. I only fried with it once, guys, but you know what? Hi guys, I don't live that life where I use oil once and then I'm done. No, I don't. That's not my life, so I'm not gonna even try. So what you're gonna need for this, these are completely optional. You can add whatever you want. I've got here 1 medium-sized onion already chopped, and then I've got 4 small garlic cloves. I'm also gonna use some ginger, and then here are my tomatoes. Obviously, if you have a big family, you can use the whole tomato, like all of this. This packet was 10 rand, but because it's just for 2 servings, I don't need extra. This is more than enough. What I have here is more than enough, and I've already cooked my pap. So I put in here, this is canola oil, guys. I'm just checking if it's hot enough, and then I'm gonna add some stock. I'll add half of it. The one thing that I normally cook my tomato with is parsley, but I'm out of parsley. And you know, with all these long queues and everything, I just didn't feel like going to the stores to just queue for a few things. So I went to my local vegetable vendor. Buy it from there. Oh my god, this is so hard. Sure. Now you can have this for lunch, you can have it for brunch, you can have this for supper. It doesn't really matter. But it's a really cost-effective meal. Really cost-effective. In goes my ginger. Then lastly, I'm gonna add a little bit of chili, just a tiny bit. I want it to be, you know, to be there, but not really to be there. I just want a little bit. I want it to be less than mild. And now I'm gonna add the tomatoes. So this is what is going on in here. The Onion is caramelized really nicely. Now I'm adding in my onion, my tomato. Now the one thing you can do with your tomato, guys, to make sure that the peel of the tomato comes off, is you can put it in hot water, pour hot water all over it, and leave it there for like boiling hot water, not just lukewarm. Leave it there for like 4 minutes or 2 minutes, and then when you peel it, the skin will just come off. Now I'm gonna close the lid, and then I'm gonna leave it to cook for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, because we know most tomato is a little bit sour. A little bit of sugar, and then what's left of this oxtail stock. Actually, I'm gonna leave the lid open because I don't want it to be watery, too watery. Tomato is already watery. Let me time this for 15 minutes on power. I think on power 3 is fine, and then I will take it down to power 2 because I don't want this to burn. So yeah, this is completely cooked, and it's not even 15 minutes later, it's actually 10 minutes, 8 minutes. I said 15, I just switched it off now on 7 minutes, so it's like 8 minutes that it took to actually cook. So it actually took 8 minutes to cook. There is my tomato, and now I'm gonna dish out the pap that I made earlier. Look at this pap. Everton, why are you being funny? Normally I just like the crust of the pap, guys. That's me. I enjoy the crust, so now I'm actually trying to get to the crust because the crust is everything. Everything. There is the crust. Yes. There is that beautiful crust. Yes. My mouth is watering. My mouth is watering. You know how much of a struggle it is when your pot is full of pap and then you have to go right at the bottom to try to get out the crust. Here I am fighting with this thing. Phew, I think that is more than enough. I took all the crust. because I have a feeling that I'm gonna overeat today. I have a feeling that I'm gonna overeat. I actually think this is way too much. I might not actually finish this. There's no point dishing out something that you're not even gonna eat. So there is the tomato. My mom loves tomato, guys. Oh my gosh, my mom loves some tomato. You can buy the whole box. Then I'm gonna add some achar. I don't want a lot of achar. The thing with achar, you think you don't want a lot. Now when you start eating, now you want a lot. So hey. Now if you want, you can actually add some snook, the dried snook. I know some people don't, when I say snook, they're thinking of other things. This is what I'm talking about, guys. So you can add this dry snook, cured dry snook, if you want that. Even the achar is optional. This whole meal, guys, for a family of 4, you can have this for, literally you can have this for just about, it's 25 rand worth for everyone, and everyone, you know, can sleep with a belly full of food. Nobody has to go to bed hungry. So you just have to, you know, think out of the box. What is it that you can eat, you know, that is cost effective? We don't always have to be eating meat and things that are a little bit out of our budget, especially now, because some people might be getting retrenched. Some people might not have those part-time jobs anymore, because now there's a lot of people at home. So that job that you used to do, the owner is doing it themselves. So yeah. And also some people are gonna be getting salary cuts like this. I like to eat this by hand. I mean, that is where you just enjoy the food. They still, and this is better served eating like warm. You know, you cook your pap, it's hot, you cook it like you dish out. The tomato, while it's still warm, you dish out. Now I'm going for that achar as well as the tomato. Hands down, this meal, guys, yo, this meal is nice. I'm gonna go and enjoy my food. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know, guys, what is it that you guys would eat that is nutritious, cost effective, and quick, because this is quick. The pap, it took like 15 minutes to cook. Let's say boiling the water is another 5 minutes. And while the pap is cooking, you already chopping and preparing the tomato breedie, and then you make your tomato. All in all, in 25 minutes people are eating, so that is quick. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. Bye.